Today we are going to discuss about the basic structure of the eyeball. The basic structure of the eyeball. First we discuss about the walls of the eyeball. First we discuss about the walls of the eyeball. Then after we going into the detail of the each part of the eyeball. The outermost layer of the eyeball is protective layer. Layer of protective coat. This consists of mainly two parts. First part is sclera and second is cornea. Sclera is the widest part, the sixth part, and cornea is the one-fifth part. Cornea is a transparent where from the light is coming to the eye. And this is sclera is opaque and tough. This is the protective layer because this is protect delicate membrane which is inside the eyeball. And the second layer is vascular layer or nutritive layer or middle layer, which is consist of mainly three components. Here up to here, this is choroid. This is choroid, and this triangular shape or triangular part which is called ciliary body. And forward it is also extends anterior side to the cornea, which is called iris. This is the middle layer. It is also called vascular middle layer, vascular or nutritive layer. The innermost layer is the innermost layer, which is main component through we are see this world, each retina. Retina also has divided into two parts, or we can say two layers. The outer layer is pigmented layer, or this is neural layer of the retina, which is consist of rod and spons. This is the neural layer. Look there.